Okay, so today I am going to make fluffy slime, and you are going to need shaving cream, glue, it has to be Elmers glue, Tide, a bowl of warm water, and a spoon. So first you're going to need to pour the glue in. It could be any kind of Elmer's glue, but it has to be the liquid kind. It can't be like the spray kind, because I don't understand how spray can make slime. If you are not interested on this video or you don't like slime, you may pass or you may stay. This is either going to be on YouTube or Facebook or both. So, alright, now I'm done putting all of the glue in. You want to try to get out as many as you can. So I think about this is good. Your next step is to put this about the same amount as glue, put the same about the same shaving cream as glue. Okay, so you basically want to keep on mixing until all the shaving cream is together mixed with the glue. Now mine is starting to look pink because my color of my glue was red, but you could use normal white, and when you put it into the Tide, it'll turn like bluey, I could get. I don't know. But I'll show you when I put into the Tide. Okay, so I just figured out that you don't need the warm water. You just need to slowly pour the Tide in until it makes its result. A slime. Oh, it's working. Mama, it's working. It's working. Oh my gosh, Mama, it's actually working. Oh, I'm so happy. I made my first slime. Right, turn on the video. Okay, so I got it all mixed up, and I'm assuming that you might have to go in with your hands and do this. So if you're wearing sleeves, you should pull them up. Oh, this feels so weird. Ah! So I need a little more. So yeah, until it's like unsticky, I got it. Now it's pink. Okay, so you want to make sure you get every single piece until it's not sticking to your hands. If you feel it kind of wet, make sure you just keep on like mixing it with your hands until it unsticks to you. As you can tell, I actually made slime today, and this is how I'll show you without using borax to make homemade fluffy slime. And you could also steal maybe your pop-ups or Dad's shaving cream to do this because you only need a little bit of it. Bye!